Hello everyone. So for today I thought we could do these fold out envelopes type idea. And this is what I came up with. It is actually not just an envelope type fold out idea, but also a belly band. And then this with the side of it, just because why not? That's what I normally do with the edging that's left over. So that is another set. So now we're going to use this paper for it. Again, we'll see how well this works, but it should work rather well. It's just coffee dyed paper. And I'm going to try lining it up to the best of my ability here to this edge. And it still definitely did not come out the way I wanted it to. Okay. There we go. That's a little better. I'm okay with this looking ripped. You could have issue with it. Again, this is one of them you do you moments. Now, this is how I came up with this idea. Again, it's one of those, you do what makes you happy. You don't have to be perfect with this, but I'm gonna try to the best of my ability here. And this will turn into a really cute little belly band. Now I have this lovely sheet here, and I thought this would work perfect on here. And that's what I'm going to use here to hold it down. Yeah, just a perfect little piece to hold it down and make it easy to open up. Again, for writing space. I just thought, ooh, this would be fun to, when I was starting these fold out ideas, I'm like, ooh, that would be a fun little piece to make into so. Again, most of these pieces are relatively the same concept over and over again. But in different ways. Again, you don't have to have it the exact same way every single time. I thought this was a cute little way to make these, and you don't really have much scraps because you make another fold out of that scrap. And honestly, this fold out will fit right into the belly band. So I want to show you quickly how that looks on a piece of paper. So if we were to do this, we'd glue at the bottom, glue at the top, and it should be around the same amount as a piece of paper size. And voila, we got ourselves a little thing here, and we just open it up, and again, you get a full piece of paper to write in your journals, but it's another fold out envelope. So we have one more fold out envelope for this series, but this one was really stuck in my head for some reason, wanting to make it into a belly band, so wanted to do that. We'll be working on this journal today, the Wizard's journal, on putting in new ephemera, making journaling stuff on it, etc. I thought we'll move on with this series a little bit. And again, I'll be making 2 more videos on the Wizard's pages. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.